Hello again from Aegis. My name is Frank. Today we're going to take a walk around on this beautiful 2022 Dodge Ram 2500. Even though this is a brand new vehicle, we still did about 11 to 12 hours of paint correction and polishing. That removes all the fine lines that are put in when the dealership washes them. The reason we do this is because one of the things that ceramic does is it amplifies the surface. So if you leave any fine lines and scratches in the vehicle, on the surface, when it gets in the sun, those will be amplified. On this particular vehicle, we used our brand new 6th generation ceramic coating. It has a lot more chemical resistance than our previous coatings. It does last a minimum of 5 years. We say that, but we have a couple vehicles that are going on 7 years now, still going strong. So it's just a matter of doing the maintenance on it. As you can see, it's got a super reflective mirror-like finish on it. Another benefit of doing ceramic coating on vehicles this size, super easy cleaning. Most of the time you do a no-touch wash, which means you'll use a pressure washer, a foam cannon. You'll rinse the vehicle off first. You'll come back with the foam cannon. You'll apply our Aegis Foam Fury or Spectrum, or a combination of the two. Let it sit for about 45 seconds to a minute. Rinse it off, take a leaf blower and dry it. If you don't touch it, you don't scratch it. On a vehicle that's daily driven, the maintenance is about every 3 to 4 months. You'll take our Aegis Armor Renew product after you do a physical hand bucket wash on the vehicle. You'll dry it off. You'll grab 3 microfiber towels, a bottle of Renew, wet one towel, wring it out, spray the Renew in the vehicle, wipe it in with a damp cloth, let it sit for about 15 seconds, buff it off with the 2 dried microfibers. And that is all the maintenance that gets done. Once we're finished coating all the paint, we also did our Aegis Armor's glass coating on all the glass and plastic lenses on the vehicle. Now when it rains, the water will just shoot right off of them. Super easy to clean bugs off, just rinse them off with a pressure washer. The final touch we did was we used Cerakote's trim kit, and we did all the plastics on the runners. And around the bumpers. As you can see, they have a nice rich black luster, light luster to them. This product lasts up to 200 washes, and it is a ceramic based product. We throw that in at no cost.